As we know, packages help us maintain session data or session state. When we have variables, constants, and cursors in a package, either in the package specification or body or both, that package is said to have a state, as the values assigned to these in the session are kept in a memory area private to the session and maintained for the session. These kind of packages are stateful packages as they maintain the session state. However, if the package specification and body, both of them, did not have any variables, constants, or cursors in them, then these are stateless packages as they are not providing any global placeholders for sessions to maintain data. So the package HR management we created earlier has a few constants, a variable, and a cursor, which are placeholders for a session to maintain data or state. Thus, it is a stateful package. But what happens when the package specification or body or both is compiled? In that case, all other sessions referencing the package would upon the next execution get an error message, aura -04068, existing state of packages has been discarded, as Oracle does not know how the change is going to affect the session variables, and so it discards the data to be on the safer side. The next call to the package will reinitialize the variables to whatever values they were declared with in the package, null if no value was assigned during declaration. So if a variable g number was declared with a value of 2, it will be reinitialized to 2. And if there was an initialization section for the package where it was again assigned a value of 4, then that will run giving it a value of 4. But what if we do not want our running sessions to have the least impact of code changes? We might have a 24/7 system and we do not want any interruptions. Or we might have just made the changes to the package body, but just because it had global variables and global cursors, all clients will get the aura -04068 and then lose the session data and get reinitialized. One strategy is to separate all the global variables, constants, and cursors in a package of their own. For instance, we have removed these from HR management package and moved these constants, variables, and cursors to their own package called global state. You will have to do the same for any package body variables, constants, and cursors also, and move them also over here. Local variables, constants, and cursors declared inside the procedures and functions are fine and need not be moved. These changes would make HR management as a stateless package, and so now when you modify the package, the referencing client sessions do not receive the aura -04068 error.